Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to reset Shopify store password. So first, go to Shopify login site and click Forgot in the password field. Now, enter your email used for the login procedure. In the blank field, you are required to put in your email address. After that, click email instruction and Shopify will send you an email with a guide and reset link inside. Then, click the reset link in your email browser. Open your email browser and check new email from Shopify. The reset link will be included and highlighted. Click on it. In case the link doesn't work, you can use this structure of link instead. And then, enter a new password and confirm your sequence. After being directed to the password reset site, you are asked to input a new password. Then, click Reset Password to confirm your procedure. Now, you must log in your account with the new password. Let's go back to Shopify login site and log in with your new password. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.